Don't even get me on
Hey
camera.
guys.
Don't
Hey guys, it's
get me
Amy.
on camera.
It's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. We're in the kitchen getting our lunch together for the beach.
Remixing lunches.
We're getting our lunch together for the beach. Haley is the pro at sandwich wraps. And I mean, she is having the greatest time over here wrapping up some chicken, lettuce, and tomato. Haley is great.
All the cheese we had?
No, there's all kinds of cheese in there. I wanted to show you really quickly what we're doing, and I want to show you Haley's pro tips on how to wrap a wrap, because I am not great at wrapping wraps. Look, I filled them up. So we've got Cajun turkey, tomato, lettuce, and cheese. And then we've got the same here. And then my mother-in-law's got chicken and roast beef and tomatoes. And here's Haley's. She's got chicken, lettuce, and chicken, lettuce, and cheese.
She don't know what I got.
And Haley is the pro at wrapping these things. I am horrible at wrapping, so Haley's actually taking one that I fixed and redoing it.
Because she tore the whole wrap.
I did not tear the whole. All I did was stack it. You're the one that
Hold
started
on,
wrapping it.
I'm about to take this off. You can't even do anything with it because you.
Do y'all
put
think
so
Haley's
much
y'all think Haley's getting tired of me?
Yes.
Y'all think Haley's ready to go home?
stupid.
What do you guys do when you go to the beach? We keep things super simple, but we always want to make sure that we're keeping our health journey in mind.
This is what she did. I can see you through the whole wrap. That's what she did. Now who?
That looks like somebody's face. Look. Okay, have y'all seen the movie? Haley, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are they?
Where he comes out of the refrigerator. What is it? Mrs. Doubtfire. Has everyone seen Mrs. Doubtfire?
The pie. That was the pie though.
Yeah, so Haley is taking the place of Mrs. Doubtfire today with her wrap. So Haley actually did that. I did not do that.
No, she did do that.
No, I stacked the wrap. She started to actually wrap
And
it
she
up.
put nasty lettuce. It's soggy lettuce on
It
the
was a
wrap.
soggy lettuce. She likes crispy lettuce, so I made sure she had the crispy parts. So guys, when we're on vacation, we always keep our health in mind, but we also want to have a great time and we want to enjoy amazing food. So we're having amazing dinners. I'm telling you, all the good seafood, all the good appetizers, all the good cocktails. Like, we're enjoying our dinners so well. And because we're enjoying our dinners, we want to make sure that we're really healthy in our lunch. So so for lunches, we're making very simple sandwich wraps on low carb wraps. I love the La Bandera. The La Bandera wraps are delicious. There's Mission low carb wraps. There's a lot of different low carb wrap ideas, but we like to just keep it really simple at lunch. And we're packing our cooler. We also have some little pepperonis. So like, these are things that we can snack on throughout the day to make sure that as we're here, there's no guilt to our dinners. Like, when we go out to dinner tonight, we're going to be eating really, really good. We're going to enjoy all the things. And we feel good about it because during the day, we're taking care of our health. So we've woken up every morning this week and gone to the gym here at the resort. We've come back, we've made our wraps, we've got snacks. We're fixing to pack up our beach bag and enjoy the day now that we've gotten started on the right foot.
See,
So my
she doesn't
question...
know how to make the wraps either because you got to put it closer to the edge. Dang, Amy.
Y'all do not give her any loves. Do not give her hearts.
Yeah, give me the hearts if your family don't know how to make food either.
They know I know how to make food. I cook really good food, but this is not cooking. This is not cooking. That's where I fail. See, if I'm in the kitchen cooking, I'm like pro.
I need a bag because I don't know whose wrap I just wrapped.
That is Nana's. She's got roast beef. Nana's got roast beef. So we got them in a bag, and we've been putting them in the bag by order, so we know whose is whose every single day, because we're all making different ones. So we are about to put our bathing suits on as soon as Haley finishes these wraps. I just want to jump on really quickly to show you guys that if I can do it, you can do it. Look, if I can do this, you can do this. I'm a food addict, a known food addict, very honest food addict. And in my past life, oh my gosh, when we came to the beach, we would cook a huge breakfast. And we would eat all the biscuits and gravy and the fried tenderloin and all the things. We'd go to the beach and we'd have cocktails all throughout the day. Then we'd go to dinner, and I mean, we would eat all the bread, all the fried foods, and we would not exercise. We might walk the beach, but that was about it. That was my past life. As a food addict, I'm telling you, if I can do this, you guys can do this. All you have to do is make simple choices. Like, keep things so simple that when you wake up, it's so easy. You know exactly what you're going to do. And my mother-in-law has been really good this week too. She actually has some keto bread, and she's been waking up in the morning and making some toast and fruit while we're exercising. And then we just come back and look, just make up our wraps. Make up our wraps and enjoy the beach.
Look how
So
fat
guys,
this thing is. It's
man,
a whole burrito.
is that your dad's?
Yeah.
Haley's got too much. Haley's having too much fun, y'all. Too much fun. All right. Hey, Colin. How are you, Colin? Colin, did you see the beginning of my video? Colin, Haley has put her face through the wraps. All right, so we're fixing to pack our cooler and get to the beach to enjoy our day so that we can enjoy our evening. And you guys have a good one. If I can help you in any way, just let us know.
You're going to show them the wraps wrapped up in the
Okay.
bag.
Oh, hang on a minute. Haley's got to be.
You're going to show me off. We're going to do everything.
Okay. Haley wants to make sure that you
I
see
hate
the
touching
finished product.
tomato, though.
You don't like touching tomato?
Flip them over that
Haley,
way.
you just messed up the whole wrap. It's got a. There's a purpose to this stuff stacking the way it is. You got to have the lettuce and the tomato together with the salt and pepper. She's telling me to shh. Look at the mess she's making. Lord of mercy. We forgot to buy paper towel. I mean, paper plates.
Yeah.
We have no paper plates in our room. All right, now look at that. Haley's done such a fantastic job. I'm so proud of you, Haley. We just got to clean up our mess, and then we're heading to the beach. Show them off, Haley. You want to show them off?
Hold on.
And those are really
Gotta
good. You did a
edit.
great job.
Gotta
Do you know
edit
whose is
time.
whose?
Yep. Mine, Nana's, Dad's, yours.
Okay.
Mine's the one without tomatoes.
Yep, no tomatoes for Haley. Look at that. So proud of this girl. We got our wraps. We got our pepperonis. We got cherries. We got a whole cooler full of waters, and we're going to have a great day on the beach. All right, guys. We'll see all of y'all later. Have a great one. And if we can help you in any way, just let us know. Bye.